So hello everyone, this is Jobair Mahmud, a data-driven digital marketing expert. In this video, you will know about how to set up Bing Ads conversion tracking. This video will be very helpful for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. So actually, Bing Ads are getting popular day by day because they are acquired the Chat GPT and their traffic goes rise. Their traffic are much higher than before right now. So everyone are focusing right now in Bing Ads. If they are running ads, so there must be they have to set up the conversion tracking, otherwise they cannot track the how many people has purchased, how many people has fill up the leads, those kind of conversion tracking. They cannot measure their ad performance, campaign performance. So that's why the Bing ad conversion tracking is much needed at this time. So this is the Bing Ads. You can just sign up from the Microsoft Ads. Client just have to give you the permission. I have set up a dummy account, this campaign manager, this as manager. So at first when you sign up, you will see a dashboard like this. Other you can get access from account access. Your client just have to paste your email and give you the invite, get the work done. For Bing ad conversion tracking, it is much similar like Google ad conversion tracking. At first you have to go from this dashboard, this tool option, just click here, and tool option, here you see the UET tag. Click here, and here you see this is a new dashboard. I haven't created any UET tag, so that's why this interface is showing like this. So you just click in. Okay, we just click here. We have just set up a UET tag name, and it is for testing purpose. So I have you can give the description. You can enable it or disable it. This is the Microsoft Clarity setup. If you just set up it, it will be the automatically Microsoft Clarity. You can get the better understanding. If you don't know what is Microsoft Clarity, in my previous video there are a Hotjar setup, and I explained it what is Hotjar. And a similar tool is Microsoft Clarity, but it is free. Hotjar is paid basically. So we go to there and save and next, and here you see many options. Tag install the tag yourself, send to tag the developer, add through the website editing platform, automatically add tracking through the Google Tag Manager. So this is the manual. Get the code and paste it to your website backend. We are a smart data driven marketer, so that's why we just set up it with Google Tag Manager, because it is very good and you can manage it very well back into your website. So we just click here and next. This is the Bing UT tag code, and this browser doesn't have Google sign up, so that's why copy tag, next, done. We have done. This is unverified, so we just go our tag manager and new tag, click the tag configuration. Here you search Microsoft UET. Let me load it. We just scroll down and search here the Microsoft Advertising Universal Event Tracking, this tag template. Copy it, and as we copy our tag UET tag ID and click here, this is a page view event. So page view, and we will trigger it all the page. UET tag, save. This is just a page view event. For page view event, Microsoft Advertising need a tag UET tag setup. At first this is for tag setup, and for conversion goal we have to select the conversion goal. This is for the purchase tracking. You need to set up two conversion tracking for the Microsoft Bing ads. At first for page view UET tag, and other is conversion goal for purchase tracking. So we just set up our UET tag. We have to install a Chrome extension, name is UET tag helper. This is by Microsoft Advertising for testing your UET tag is working or not. That's why So we just set up our UET tag and enable it. Just copy the URL and paste it over here. Let's reload the website. If we on this, and we will see our tag ID, this one 704 is now active, and it shows that one UET tag is successfully set up correctly. This is why you can set up the Microsoft UET tag. Now how can we track the purchase? For purchase tracking, we have to go the conversion goal. Here you see this window and create. We are creating this conversion for website. That's why you will get three options: mobile app, offline. We will be creating for website, so that's why clicking this, and then we will be next. Then goal category, it is for purchase, will be set up for purchase, that's why it's purchase. And then we will be select event, then we will be click the next. This name will be conversion purchase revenue value. This is the dynamic value, so that's why we will be select second option, conversion action value may vary. Click this, click here and allow access all account, count, wall, conversion 30-day window, view through, conversion 7 days, we give it 7 days, include conversion yes. Then we will be attribute this on is last click, let's send the next. So we have set up the UET tag earlier, so that's why we click the second option, and then we will be save and next. And here you see install tag yourself, click here, then next, then we will be do next and go our tag manager. For tag manager we will be go into our tag configuration section and go the scroll down, and here we will be find the option Microsoft Universal Tag Event, this tag template, and click it here, and the advertising UET ID, this one 704, we paste it over here. And this one not a page view event, this is for we select the custom conversion, and here we do the purchase. What is your event action? Purchase event category, copy it, category must be purchase, level must be purchase, event value, we select the value, we have a data layer variable, this is value. Currency is static, we can give the dynamic currency, just copy it, and here we deal with dynamic currency revenue value. So then we will give it new name is being purchase UET tag, and our triggering must be purchase. We have built a custom trigger, this is accordingly to our data layer, this event was happen, this is purchase, select the purchase, and it will keep it to save, it will be saved. Next, manual configuration, then save, and the category must we have set up this there in earlier, we will paste in here, the label must be purchase. This information and this information need to be same, so that's why it can be well tracked. category, purchase, then save and next. Done. Our purchase tag has successfully set up in Bing Ads. So then we will be save our GTM and submit it, publish it. After publishing, we will be test our purchase working or not, our UET tag showing our tag or not. We must be on it. We do a preview, we search a product, this product. Our UET tag is working. Go to the checkout. The order. Our Microsoft purchase has fired being purchase UET. This tag we have set up this earlier. So see the data is coming. Custom event, you see this one is custom event. This is the value, purchase, event value, revenue, and this is the all the detailed information out there. And this is how you can set up Bing ad conversion tracking for your business. And another important information, if you are a business owner, you need to set up web analytics service. So feel free to reach out to me. I can help you to set up your web analytics, Facebook pixel, Microsoft advertising, Bing ad conversion tracking, all kind of web analytics service you can get from me. So this is all for today's video. Hope you are getting much valuable content. So if you don't want to miss it out this kind of content, make sure you subscribe our channel. I will be coming up with another brand new video in the future. So till then, take care, goodbye and tata. Thank you.